Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix backup camera on Ford F150 only way. Start by safely parking, engaging the parking brake, and shifting to neutral while you inspect connections. Check the ground and power wires at the tailgate harness and the RCA or module plug for tight fit. Test the display with a phone camera or multimeter to isolate video versus power issues before replacing parts. In this video, I will explain how to fix backup camera on Ford F150 only ways. Begin with safety. Key off, parking brake set, and tailgate supported. Open the tailgate panel and locate the camera connector and nearby fuses. Probe for 12V when shifted into reverse and confirm a solid ground at the camera body. If power is present but no image, follow the video line to check the monitor and harness for faults. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes hands-free cleanup while you work on the truck, and it even dodges tools left on the floor. It's a small time saver that keeps your garage tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help fix backup camera on Ford F150 only ways. After confirming power, trace the video cable from the tailgate to the head unit looking for breaks or crushed sections. Disconnect and clean connectors, reseating them firmly, and test with a spare camera or jumper video lead. If the head unit shows intermittent video, check its input settings and replace any faulty inline video modules to restore a steady image.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.